I just got off school and look what came in the mail today. A box from URBANIC. This is not sponsored, okay? So I ordered this a week ago. I ordered some jeans. So let's see how it turned out. So I got this. It has my name on it though. Let's see this later. And I got these jeans and then this and a navy colored one. Let's see this. This wasn't it. So let's open this one, brown one. I actually already ordered this one and it actually came in mail, but it was like too big for me, so I had to reorder it again. And it has a little heart on it. It's cute. And then I got this navy one. It's the basic one you could ever get. But it's a wide-legged, all are wide-legged, and this is how it looks like. The normal ass jeans. And these are some olive green color. And this is how it looks like. Some basic ad jeans. And I'm not gonna show them up while trying it because I'm too lazy. I was sick for like 3 days and my holiday is almost over and I'm so sick. And like literally my school starts tomorrow and I have not got anything, but look what got in mail yesterday. A masterpiece. I was waiting for this so long and I'm so happy that it's finally at my home. I'm not that much a good reader, but I recently started reading and I have like 4 books till now. This is my 4th book, but these are the books I own. I got this off. This is my first book that I purchased myself. Actually, my best friend recommended me this book. I mean, she gave me this book of like one version of it, and after that I really started liking books. Then I purchased this one for myself, and then I got this. Yeah, these are like the same version. Oh, I just noticed this one is big kind of. Oh. Then I got this book. This book is so emotional, I swear to God. But it's so good. So these are the Colin Hoover books that I own, and these are like, but still my favorite one. I've read this 2 times and it's still the best. You should try reading this if you're a teenager. It definitely, you know, I don't know what to call that, but my babies.